chike kod mago mag kido kod timbe kaka yo mar bero thuolo mawakeni e chenro mopogore opogore mag telo. Kanowuoyo boma ma Diani e kaunti ma Kwale e kinde nyasi mar dhialo higni 40 nyaka ne chak riwruogno, jakom mar FIDA Christine Kungu owacho ni ratich joma mine mathoth manie telo oserochi kendo chenro mag yudo resruok bende oseng'ukore. Okindego ywak ni jotelo mamine kale midhiero makamago e mbui ahinya te kinde kampen kod yiero kaka yo mar geng'o gi chung' e kombe mag siasa.
The controversial suspension of Senator Gloria Oroba should also shed light in terms of what women in power are going through. These incidents spotlight the urgent need for legal, structural, and cultural reforms to protect and promote women in leadership. The Office of the Chief Justice has continued to face resistance over the last years, and specifically after 2022 presidential election petition judgment, highlighting continuous attacks of our women in leadership.
We continue to see more attacks against women, particularly in the social media space. And so my worry is, coming elections, will we continue to see or be quiet when we see women are being vilified, women are being used as sexual targets to ensure that they don't vie for various positions? And so it needs not just the voice of FIDA as an organization, but the voice of each and every one of you to make that impact.
FIDA Kenya taught me that justice is not a privilege, but a right. The leadership is not about titles, but about service. That empowering women is not just a legal duty, it is a moral imperative and a development strategy.
We cannot ignore the deep-seated societal attitudes, patriarchal norms, and structural barriers that still hinder the full realization